for this problem, the first step should be to use the reciprocal identity. The secant ratio is the same as 1 over the cosine ratio. And now try direct substitution. As x approaches -1 from the left, this expression is approaching negative pi over 2 from the left. So again, x is approaching -1 from the left, but that means the angle we're taking the cosine of is approaching -1 pi over 2 from the left. So the angle is approaching negative pi over 2 from the left, which means our cosine ratio is approaching 0 from underneath. So focusing just on this term, as the angle we're taking the cosine ratio of approaches negative pi over 2, the cosine ratio is approaching 0 from underneath, like negative 0.1, then getting a little closer, negative 0.01, then a little closer, negative 0.001. So those values inside this yellow circle might be -10, then -100, then -1000. And as we get infinitely close, or infinitesimally close to 0 from underneath, the cosine ratio, 1 divided by the cosine ratio, is approaching -infinity. So doing direct substitution into this term, as x approaches -1 from the left, this term is approaching -2, and this term is approaching -infinity, and so the limit is choice A, -infinity.